MBA is a long-term investment and it has potential to pay dividend over the course of decades. There are various metrics by which we can measure the success of an MBA program, and one of these metrics happens to be campus placement. Now, campus placement, how do we facilitate for our students is by various means, and there are few levers by which are controllable and which are non-controllable, like the industry scenario, which is not in our control, but there are other levers which are in our control, and we take measures to keep them on track as far as our campus is concerned at IMT Ghaziabad. Controllable levers like faculty available at an institute, alumni of the institute, how do we engage with alumni, quality of the faculty which is available at an institute, infrastructure in the institute, is the library fully stacked with the updated books and research journals or not. These are the few of the controllable levers we can manage internally at a campus. So at IMT Ghaziabad, we have all the faculty members who are PhD qualified from top IIMs, top 5 IIMs, including IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Indore, Kozhikode, XLRI. We have faculty from IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai, and some of the global universities which are established by their name. So that stands as quality of the faculty who instill the skills which are required in the today's competitive industry. Quality of the faculty helps us not only in dissemination of the knowledge, but also generation of the knowledge through quality of the research articles that they generate throughout the year. Now, we also engage with our alumni throughout the year through various touch points, be it for the mentorship of the students, be it taking their feedback, how the outside world perceive us as an institute from a career enabling perspective as well. Now, from the campus engagement perspective, we ensure that right from the moment student enrolls into the campus, we take care of the full 2-year journey of the candidate. When the students on board at IMT, we expose them to the leadership talk series, guest lectures with various industry experts at the CXO level, CHRO level, and the marketing experts. It helps them understand the market industry expectations, how do they can enable themselves to meet their expectations and upgrade themselves during the course of their 2-year program. In MBA, we get diverse pool of candidates, and it is important for us to bring them, all of those students, to at the same level in terms of their readiness to face the interview process. So we ensure that they are able to go through a structured training program wherein they attend various workshops, be it mock interviews, mock group discussions, mock workshops, to expose them to the requirements of the various roles like product management, be it data science, business analyst, artificial intelligence. All these kind of the roles students need to go through and ensure that they are ready to face the selection process for diverse kind of roles. These days, more and more work is done by the machines, advanced machines, and the larger part of the decision making is left to the managers.